headlines. Arvind Kejriwal, Amit Shah meet amid surge of cases in Delhi. One army soldier killed, 2 injured as Pakistan shells forward posts in Jammu Kashmir's Poonch. And Amuko pledges to face all challenges to its territorial integrity. Good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 with me, Mandira, and now the news in detail. Amid the uptick of infections in the national capital, Home Minister Amit Shah and Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan meet Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to review Delhi's response to coronavirus. The meeting comes 2 days after the Supreme Court pulled up the Delhi government over the horrendous, horrific and pathetic situation in the city. Delhi has nearly 39,000 cases, with nearly 12,000 new cases. COVID infections in India on Sunday rose to over 3.2 lakh, a media report said. The death toll also crossed the 9,000 mark to stand at 9,192. While over 1.62 lakh people have recovered, there are nearly 1.5 lakh active cases in the country. Maharashtra alone has over 1 lakh cases. India is the 4th country worst hit by coronavirus after the United States, Brazil and Russia. Globally, over 7.7 million people have been infected with nearly 4.3 lakh deaths. China reported 57 new cases of the coronavirus on Sunday, the highest daily figure since April, as concerns grow about a resurgence of the disease. The domestic outbreak in China has been brought largely under control through strict lockdowns that were imposed early this year. But a new outbreak has been linked to a meat and vegetable market in South Beijing. An Indian Army soldier was killed and 2 others were injured late on Saturday after heavy shelling by Pakistan along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district, police said today. Ramesh Kumar Angral, the senior superintendent of police of Poonch, said 29-year-old Sepoy Luangabui Abomli died in the shelling in Shahpur Kirni sector, a media report said. Sepoys Lengkhothian Senghon and Tongsoik Kwanwangar were injured, Angral said. The injured soldiers were airlifted to the command hospital in Udhampur at 1:30 a.m. for further treatment, Angral added. All the 3 soldiers belong to the Army Regiment's 10 Battalion. On Thursday, an army personnel was killed and a civilian injured as the Pakistan Army heavily shelled villages and forward posts along the LOC in Rajouri and Poonch districts. All Manipur United Clubs organization Amuko today underlined on the need of unity among all ethnic communities in the state in safeguarding the territorial integrity of Manipur. Addressing the 19th Protest Day commemoration event at Kwakaithel Akham Lekai Community Hall today, Amuko President Nando Luang recalled that the organization led a mass protest in Imphal following the Centre NSC and IM Bangkok bilateral agreement of 14 June 2001, wherein the 2 sides mentioned the 3 words without territorial limit. Leaders of Amawoba and Amuko were present during the program. On the occasion, Nando pledged that Amuko would face all challenges to the territorial integrity of Manipur and stressed on the need to unite all communities to safeguard the territorial integrity of the state.
Maruina, a quite liminary by quite machine like the top of Domanate, Nakandagi, Akan Bakudamani in Selapani. Aduna Asiguma Cherega Chida Manipur Gimiamsi, Gomelop Indiagi, DBC policy, Edu Kangatana, Lup Kayamadi, Hogi Punchen Punjaka Tabak, we never horror. Maruina, COVID Ki, Sigumba pandemic, Matamachida, sing Tamdala, Lup Mayam, Tina Punjalaga, Tabak Punna Tomina Park, so horror. Skumba, Lup Mayam, Punsalapa, Punna Punna Tabak Tominapa, Miamsi, Amaga Sinaba, sing the Tam the Potlanaba, Tam the Ting the Giawana, the Hangar Buggy. थोदोक क्या थोरक पाइ बसे मसी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ददी नुंगाइ तबा नत्रगा मखोगी थौरांग अदु द चयत खोइनबा म वैगदबनिना अनौबा अरुम थौरांग क्या अमा तौरखिगदबा लै हाइबसे अखोइ मणिपुर मियामना खंगमिनसी मरमदना तुंगदसु असुकुंबा गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ना तौरकदबा अखोइ मचेत मकाइ तहनबगी अखोइ मसेन खननबगी अखोइ मसेन यिंथिनबगी दगी तौरकदबा थबक पॉलिसी प्रोग्राम मयामसे अखोइ पुन्ने थिंगमिनसी.
Time for a short break. Keep watching. Welcome back. Manipur yesterday registered the highest single-day spike of COVID-19 cases with 64 new cases, 28 males and 36 females, taking the total tally in the state to 449, officials said. Of the new cases, 44 cases were confirmed at the Virus Research and Diagnostic Laboratory of Jenims, while the other 20 cases were confirmed at the VRDL of RIMS in Imphal. As per State Health Department spokesperson Dr. Khoirom Shashikumar Mangang, they will be shifted to COVID care facilities in Imphal. All necessary precautionary measures such as containment and contact tracing are already taken up, he added. Meanwhile, Churachandpur yesterday recorded yet another record spike in COVID-19 cases, taking the tally to 79 in the district. There were 2 recoveries during the same period to compensate the exponential growth, which brought the recoveries to 22 and active cases to 57. Nagaland registered 5 new COVID-19 positive cases today. With this, the total number of COVID-19 positive cases in the state rose to 168. Nagaland Health Minister as Pangyu Phom confirmed this through his official Twitter handle today. According to media reports, the 5 new cases have been reported out of 232 samples tested yesterday. Among them, 3 are from Mon Quarantine Center and 2 from Parent Quarantine Center. The state has at present 92 active cases. As many as 76 persons have already recovered from the deadly virus completely and were discharged from hospitals. The state has not witnessed any COVID-19 related deaths so far. The Directorate of Extension Education, Central Agricultural University, Imphal, and the Directorate of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Services, Government of Manipur, jointly organized a one-day animal health camp cum vaccination program today. The camp was held under the Farmer First Farm Innovations, Resources, Science and Technology Program FFP, CAU Imphal at the project sites Yaripok, Top Tingtha and Yaripok, Yambem of Imphal East. About 230 animals were vaccinated during the program. International Peace and Social Advancement IPSA Joribam branch, led by its president N. Dijendra Singh, today distributed drinking water to 6 quarantine centers in Joribam. General Secretary Tinhom Lanish Singh and other members of the IPSA took part in the distribution. Teaching and non-teaching staffs of R.K. Sanatombi Vidyalaya School, Joribam, today provided breakfast to the inmates of quarantine centers at R.K. Sanatombi Vidyalaya School and Joribam Higher Secondary School in Joribam district. One of the teachers, M. Shyam Kumar, expressed gratitude towards the medical staffs and police personnel who are working in the front line to combat COVID-19 along with civil society organizations. She also expressed gratitude to Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and Deputy Commissioner of Joribam, Manglim Nganba. A tree plantation program was held at Thobal Athopam Mayai Lekai today under the supervision of Thobal Municipal Council Ward No. 4 member Yumnam Anand. On the occasion, Anand appealed to the people to plant more trees and nurture them. Social activist Ipu Lamjingba today distributed tin sheets to selected people living under below poverty line of Shetrigao Assembly constituency. The distribution was carried out at his Pong Road residence. The social activist during the event also handed out street lamps to representatives of Bamun Kampuchingtam Social Worker Union.
Assembly people get Tasi, Pantosa Bani, Makata and Ketago Assembly that I know the Brevis Makata Satagin and I Ketago because Labor Yamsida comes again. He led a bit on Makata Labor Zinga, Nataganata to push a portable of the washing the Queen of Salagam of the people.
We'll take a quick break here. Keep watching.
Langol View Charitable Clinic Haine Khangnaram Mama Pharmacy, Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited Haine Khangnarakani. Mafamasida, medicine, gynecology, surgery, orthopedic, ENT amadi pediatrics ka mari lenaba analying service singi khudong chawal lobiyo. Akupa moral gidama contact tobiyo. Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited, Rims Southgate near Kombine Kaithel. Hospital helpline number 8258967890.
Ichabu mahitam hanba haibasi mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudolni. Slopland Public School, biggest and the finest residential school, Manipur gi oina lamjaningai oiraba, mahitam ama oiriba, khwaidigi chunaraba mafamda semgatlaba, CBSE the affiliate toba higher secondary school oiri. Icha singbu admission tawidana mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudol oibiu, ichagi phazabalam chat sajati ahombadu ubiu, Slopland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. Yumnam Ongbi Langlentongbi Devi, a resident of Mayang Langjing, Taning Makha Lekai, has been conferred Nata Sankritan Fellowship by the prestigious Florida Music College, US. This was informed by Secretary of Iroishimba Momang Lekai Nupi Holi Dal in a press release today. The first National Kung Fu Taolu Championship 2020 is underway. The online championship, organized jointly by All India Kung Fu Federation and International New Kung Fu and Kickboxing Academy, Tejpur, Assam, from 5th of June will continue till June 25. AIKFFI General Secretary Sifu Dr. H. Roman said that the online championship encourages and motivates Kung Fu players during the ongoing lockdown.
COVID-19 lan thengnanaba laingakna lockdown chathariba sisu saugatpa loinana laibak sta leiriba kungfu sanaroi singi sananingbagi momentum adusu kaidanabagi pandamda All India Kung Fu Federation amasung International Kung Fu the Kickboxing Academy Tezpur Assam punna khusabnaduna National Kung Fu Taolu Online Championship asi sinjabani sanaroi singnasu video thabirau championship asida saruk yabiu. Stay home, stay safe.
A 24-year-old youth, Rituparna Pegu, was brutally murdered by a group of 4 people, including a minor, following an altercation in a shop in Nunmati, Guwahati yesterday. He leaves behind his wife and a 7-month-old infant. The incident was captured on CCTV camera. Pegu's death sparked protest across Nunmati in Guwahati and on social media. The case will now be transferred to the Crime Investigation Department for further investigation, a media report said. Dhanraj Dole, president of Missing Students Association, Delhi, said that they are waiting for the post-mortem report to come out, following which the body will be taken to the deceased native place, Akajan, for the last rites. Further, he said that Assam's missing community is planning on submitting a memorandum with 3 main demands: a charge sheet with 90 days, prompt action and punishment to the guilty, and providing adequate compensation to the wife and infant of the deceased. The US Embassy in South Korea, Seoul, dropped a huge Black Lives Matter banner on its mission building and tweeted a picture of it in support of an anti-racism campaign across America. As per media reports, the US Embassy stands in solidarity with fellow Americans grieving and peacefully protesting to demand positive change. US Ambassador to South Korea, Harry Harris, retweeted the message, adding, "USA is a free and diverse nation. From that diversity, we gain our strength." It is worth recalling that Black Lives Matter protests are being held across the globe as part of campaigns focusing on social injustice following the death of George Floyd in police custody. Now we have the top news headlines. Arvind Kejriwal, Amit Shah meet amid surge of cases in Delhi. One army soldier killed, 2 injured as Pakistan shells forward posts in Jammu Kashmir's Punch. And Amuko pledges to face all challenges to territorial integrity. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.